6, 7, 8. Demi-plie, move your arms, stretch. Remember that spine long. Stretch. Arms to fifth. Stretch. Open arms to second. Stretch. Bring your arms to Brava, rising to demi-point. Arm to first. Open second. 2 counts lower down slowly. Keep your knees pulled up. Hands on doing the second position. And demi-plie 1. Stretch. 2 feet apart. Center. Stretch. Long hips. Stretch. Remember that back against the wall. And stretch. Rising up 2 counts. 2. Arms to first. Arms to second. Lowering down in 2. Keep your back of your knee stretched. Tendu. Point to the front. Placing in off position. Demi-plie 1. Try to listen to that music. And then next. Stretch. Demi-plie. Arm to fifth. Open arm to second. And stretch. Rising up in 2 counts. Arms to Brava. 2. Arm to first. Open second. Lower down 2 counts. Into Tendu. Long hips here. Closing fifth. Demi-plie. Breathe into your backs. And demi. Look into your finger. Open arm to up fifth. And second position. Breathe into your back. Rising up. Cross your knees. Cross your legs together. Open second. No more lowering down, stay here. Balancing on demi-point, first position. And then slowly open. Breathe into your back. Finish. Lengthen your arm, shaping your body longer. Put your arms sort of close to your thighs, your upper thighs. Lower, lower, yeah, lower, lower, lower. Yeah, and then feel your fingers soft. Closing your thumb towards your middle finger this way. So right now you're holding a plum. We want you to hold a piece of paper, very thin paper. 有那个拇指啊，拇指关小一点点，再小再小，长长的小的薄的 ，yeah， and then feel 那个手是好像有人去 push 你的 elbow down this way, yeah, alright, ready with music, 7, open 8, and Brava plie, stretch, first position plie, stretch, good, arm to fifth, first position, stretch, open arm to second, stretch, breathe, so to Brava, rising up to demi point, arm to first, open second, slowly coming down, and transfer your weight to second position, wider, wider, 再大一点，再大，再大，再大啊 ！Demi-plie, stretch, arm to fifth, good, arm to second, stretch, rising up, heels off the floor, 2 counts, arm to first, open second, lower down 2 counts, good, arm stay in second position, off position, arm stay, Demi-plie, and stretch, and Demi-plie, stretch, arm to fifth, demi, good, stretch, feel that arm long, open, arm to second, stretch, rising up 2 counts, arm to first, arm to second, slowly coming down, nice. Long breath, long. You can push your chair a bit forward, slightly behind. Stretch. Arm Brava, up to first, and bring it up to fifth. Nice. Open up to second. And slow down the demi-plie even more. Rising up to demi-point. Into first, into second. And stay there, balance. Feel your thigh connected. Open up to second, and lower down. Finish. Feel that stretch in your thigh. Good. Not bad at all. Yeah, just make sure you remember the arm goes from second position to Brava, to first, to fifth, to second. 这个是顺的那个 ground for the bra, and then 反方向 reverse for the bra. 同一个道路 so the pathway is always the same. Starts from Brava or second position. It goes through Brava 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Smoothly. Brava first, fifth, open second. One more time. Brava is like drawing a circle with your arm, right? Drawing a circle with your arms. Yeah. So you just need to pass through Brava. Apples underneath your armpits. First, fifth, second. Big circle. Brava is around your thigh. First position is around your belly button. Fifth position is slightly where you can still see your hands. And the second position is right beside you, where you can still see it, not too far back, you can't see your hands anymore. Okay? Standing against a wall, like we did last week. And imagine your belly button and your chest pushing against that wall so that your back stacks up really nice and flat. So besides that straightness on your back, it's also that scapula widening to the sides. Okay, so you have a really nice and long back. Yeah. And just standing and feeling that straightness in your spine. And release your hips, long hips, and then the whole inside of your thighs together, zip together. So some of our legs are slightly open, slightly bent, so keep it really tightly zipped up. My legs, if normal, is like that. So I need to like really zip it up. And just feeling that straightness in your spine. You can put your hands here again, the belly button and your chest. And then really thinking of pushing into that wall behind you. Imagine you have a wall behind you. Okay? Just standing and feeling that stretch. As you breathe, that two hands spread apart from each other. As you breathe out, it comes back together. The lengthening of your spine keeps happening as we do our exercises. Okay? And then the thighs together. And from here, hands just on your waist for now. Okay? Hands just on your waist. And then we go mini plie. Keeping that spine long. Belly button continue to push against the wall. Hips just relax here. And flip into first position. A stretch. And plie. In. A stretch. Keep repeating. In. Out and in. Plie, turn in, a stretch. You're basically slapping your thighs to the side, turning out. Up, plie, turn up, stretch. We're gonna do 4 more times, a stretch. 3 more times here, plie, up, a stretch, plie, in, a stretch. 2 more times, plie, up, stretch, plie, in, stretch, feeling that spine long, plie, out, last one, plie, turn in, a stretch. So the whole time really thinking of that spine as you plie, breathe long. So that's what we learned last week, right? Okay, next, same thing in your legs. We're just gonna add the arms in, just to really enhance that memory, muscle memory about vertebra and movement. So we're doing, so hands, brava. Remember brava arms, the little finger close to your thigh, but not touching your thigh. And then the elbow slightly forward, the back, same thing. The back is lengthened. Shoulders relax, neck relax. Ready? As you plie, remember arms move, right? Plie, arms move to first position. Flip open, stay, stretch. Plie, arms move to fifth. Stretch. Plie, arms move to second. Stretch. Plie, arms move to brava. Flip, stretch. One more time, plie, move. Turn up, stretch. Plie, move your arms in, stretch. Plie, move your arms out, stretch. Plie, move your arms in, stretch. Plie, in, stretch. Plie, out, stretch. Plie, in, stretch. Plie, out, stretch. Keep moving. Quicker this time. Open, tap, brava, tap. And one last time. In. And arm, leg, stretch, open, in, stretch, brava, out, stretch. Heart release coordination. Yeah. So if you're okay, then just remember that sensation of lifting through that back, through that spine, and then the scapula here widening, and then coming to the front, chest just relax down, like a wrap around, like a bra or bandana, wrap around, shoulders down, neck just relax, and that's how you stand. Okay. I have a straight line on the floor, and just in parallel. We're just gonna feel what position your leg goes through when you do a battement tendu. Tendu means stretch, outstretched, stretching out. Battement means kicking out, kicking the foot, stretching out. Okay, that's basically what we're gonna do. So the position we'll pass through is first, a small fourth position. So you're standing still against the wall, correct? So feel your back is still against the wall the whole time. Small fourth position here in parallel still. And then you go through a demi point. And then you go into a point. So you can see the blue line here. My inside of my foot is always on that one blue line. Okay. So the inside of my foot doesn't go like that, doesn't go like that, doesn't go all the way. It's always flat against that one line. Yeah. Pass through a small open position. All feet still on the floor. And then you go into, see this line here. You go to a demi point. You continue to push that demi point into a tendu. So you pass through three things: your heel, your ball, your toe. Coming in is the same. The ball, the heel, coming back to parallel. Make sure your back is still on that wall as we do tendu, okay? Imagine that one blue line on the floor. And ready. Here you go. Heel out, and the ball, and the toe, and the ball, and the heel, back to parallel. 2 more times. Toe, ball, heel coming back, parallel. A heel, and a ball, a toe, ball, heel back to parallel. Last time, a heel, a ball, a toe, a ball, a heel, back to parallel. Let's change side. Use if you're using your right leg, now change to your left leg. If you're using your left, change to your right. Doesn't matter which leg. For now, we're just going through that sensation of tendu. Really stretching your feet out, away from your center. We're just doing the front right now. Ready? The other leg. And release your heel forward. Ball of the foot, toe, a ball, a heel coming back to parallel. Second time, a ball, a toe, a ball, a heel coming back to parallel. Still against the wall, heel, a ball, a toe, a heel, ball, heel, coming back. Last one, heel, a ball, a toe, a ball, a heel back to parallel. When we do tendu, heel, ball, toe, and we turn out, right? Ching. It's exactly how it should be in turnout position. Still on a flat line here. Okay. Imagine if your feet can't turn out that much, it's fine. But still you need to have that straight line through slightly slanted position. Doesn't have to be totally 180. Slightly comfortable turnout is fine for now. So the feet roll over something. So the heel has to be lifted into a point. Let's say my camera is the floor. This is my floor. This is my leg standing on the floor. I'm drawing one line up to devant, to the front. In French, devant means front. And then I have one line sideways, right? Drawing one line to side. And then one line to derrière, to the back. The heel drawing one line front, one line side, one line back. Your heel is the guide. The heel continues to draw that one line. Tendu to the front, heel, ball, toe. So heel slowly, ball, toe, the back is still against the wall and coming in. To the side, heel, ball, toe. Coming in the same way. Yeah. And then to derrière, to the back, can turn sideways to the wall. Same thing, heel, ball, toe. Imagine the back still has a piece of wall behind you. And coming in, toe, ball, heel. The back still against a wall. The hips is still very held. The back is still lifted. So standing in first position. We have heel, ball. See, when I'm standing disengaging, both legs are still stretched. And then to demi point, toe coming in. Heel, ball, toe out. Really scraping the floor as flat into point as possible. Scraping the floor. And then scoop everything in with the outside of your foot. Scoop it in. Demi plie. One more set. Tendu, coming in. Is that clear? Same to the side. Heel and the ball and the toe coming in. This time is as thin as possible. Side tendu, demi-plie, the back really long. Tendu, demi-plie, breathe in as you feel. To the back, heel and the ball and the toe coming in. Tendu, demi-plie, long back tendu. Demi-plie from here to the front, drawing one straight line with your heel, one straight line to the side with your heel, one straight line to the back with your heel, and demi-plie, finish off. Same to the back. We have tendu to the front, a ball, a toe coming in, tendu out, demi-plie, and out, demi-plie, back long, heel, a ball, to the side, coming in, tendu out, demi-plie, long back, out, demi-plie, very back, a ball, a toe, straight line, the back and the heel, plie, out, demi-plie, tendu to the front, drawing straight line front, straight line side, back still in line with the wall, and demi-plie, breathe in. Reverse the whole thing from the back. Go. So, closing first. Tendu, demi-plie. Long back, breathe in as you plie to the side. A ball, a toe, and first. Tendu, out. Breathe in, demi-plie. Breathe in, demi-plie. Tendu, front, heel, ball. Toe coming in first. And out. Back still flat against the wall. Plie to the back. Drawing one straight line to the side. One straight line to the front. First, breathe in, demi-plie, and finish. A heel, a ball, a toe, those first. Tendu, demi-plie, the back still against the wall. And plie to the side, heel, ball, a toe, and first. Out, demi-plie, breathe in, long back. Out, demi-plie, breathe in, long back. Heel to the back, push to back. Toe coming in and out. Plie, long back. Breathing in and front. Straight line with your heel. Remember, back against the wall. And stretch. Breathe in, demi-plie. Starting from the back heel. A ball, a toe. Closing first. Heel, ball, toe. Breathing in, plie. Heel, ball, toe. Breathing in, plie. Side. A toe. Point. Ball. Coming in. Tendu. Plie. Breathing in as you plie. To the front. A ball. Toe. Coming in. Tendu out. Demi-plie. Breathe in. Out. Demi-plie. Round the back. Straight line out. Straight line out to the side. With that heel ball toe action. In. Demi-plie. Breathe in. Long back. And finish. Bravo.